This is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the accounts category. In here, make sure that you have no Google accounts added. If you have some like I do, just get rid of them by removing those accounts or a single account. Then get back to the main settings page, open Google category, then go for the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account. After that, you will need to sign into another Google account, this time belonging to you as a parent, or to put it in other words, you will need to log into Google account you will be using to supervise your child's activity. So now I'll quickly do that. Then, once the parental account was successfully logged into, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, on which you gotta type in the child's Google account password one more time, then tap at the Agree button to your bottom right. Then, the following Activate Profile Manager page, you will need to tap at the Activate option, then wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked together. Now hit the Next button. The Manage Child's App step we can skip. The same applies for Manage Filters and Settings page. From here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the phone or tablet that you will be using to supervise your child, you can just go for the automatic route and tap at the blue Install Family Link button, or you can manually download the required app, which I'll do myself. So now, at this point, take your parental device or device that you will be using to supervise your child's activity and download the free Family Link app from the Play Store. This one. Then launch the app. In here, make sure to sign into the Family Link with the parental Google account. And in the app, you can do all kinds of stuff and supervise your child in a lot of various ways. For example, let's wait for the app to get loaded first. So for example, you can set daily usage limits or the downtime routines, set up the app limits, apply content and age restrictions for apps, configure account settings, manage devices, monitor your child's location, and check your child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.